Apply this treatment to have a spotless skin, a unified complexion, no wrinkles, no fine lines. This treatment will help to close a large open pores and make sure you have no acne. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So how are you all doing today? I hope you are doing fine. Thanks so much for stopping by. So do consider subscribing by hitting the red subscribe button, okay? Turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos like this. So today's video is very simple with important simple ingredients you can find in your kitchen at home, okay? So this will clarify your pores, penetrate into your skin to nourish it, make sure your skin glows all the time. So you want to look younger, you want to have a spotless skin, keep watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share this video to everyone. So let's go ahead and make sure you are looking so beautiful all the time. To have a spotless skin, to glow your skin, to close a large open pores, to get rid of black hairs, white hairs, and to look younger, you have to get sugar. You have to get a brown sugar just like this. You can make use of a white sugar, you can make use of a brown sugar, any one, okay? So sugar here will help to exfoliate your skin, get rid of dead skin cells, penetrate into your skin to clear your skin. It helps also to lighten pigmentations, unify your skin, make your skin brighter. So I will be adding 2 tablespoons of my sugar. And the next one here is tomato. Tomato will ensure your skin is spotless because it's full of vitamins and minerals. It contains lycopene that will help to nourish and protect your skin. This will help to protect your skin against sun damage, make you look younger always. You need it in your skin treatment to make your skin supple and to get rid of dryness. I'm going to be grating it, okay? You can just squeeze out the juice or blend it, whichever one. So a little is all you need to apply on your skin. And the next one we have here is orange. You can make use of lemon. They are all the same. They both contain vitamin C, which will help to nourish your skin, clear out your pores, close a large open pores, and make sure your skin is looking flawless all the time. So I'll be using the one I have before, half of it. Though you don't really need too much, just like half tablespoon of the juice is all you need. Squeeze it in just like this and you're all good. You have to mix it thoroughly. If your paste is very watery, go ahead and add more sugar, just the way I'm going to be doing, okay? It got watery due to the orange juice anyway, so add more of the sugar. Okay, so this is perfect. All right, so the next one to add is vitamin E oil. So you can make use of sunflower oil. This will help to keep your skin hydrated, protect your skin, take care of wrinkles and fine lines so that you look younger. So one of it is okay, just pop it in and you're all good. I'll go ahead and mix it very well. So my treatment is still watery, so when mixing it, you have to be careful because of the orange juice and the tomato juice, okay? You just have to add them in a little amount so that it will be in a thick paste. Anyway, it will work very well. They are all the same. So here is another method. This, you should apply it like a mask, and this, you should apply it like a scrub. I'll be showing you how to scrub your face using sugar and orange to close a large open pores, thereby preventing pimples, acne, getting rid of dirt from your pores. So let me quickly show you how to treat your face using this to glow your skin, to make sure you have a spotless skin. So I'm going to be showing you how you can make use of this paste. Though mine is a little watery, so if you want to make yours, make it thicker, okay? So I'll also be showing you how you can make use of your orange. Yes, your orange with sugar. So this is actually a way of, like scrubbing your skin, okay? And you get perfect results. So the first thing you have to do is to make sure you wash off all makeups. Make sure there are no makeups, no dirt on your skin by using a mild cleanser. Wash it off with a clean water, a warm water precisely, okay? So that your pores will open up for this treatment to penetrate well and work better. So with this treatment, it will hardly have spores on your skin. This treatment will help to close a large open pores, okay? And will help to make you look younger all the time. Well, after mixing it, just go ahead, apply it on your skin. 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐. Sound really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어. 나봐 난 네 옷을 또 보고 있어. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can control. So mine is dripping down because it's watery. Okay, so if it's in a thick paste, you can just apply it without it running down your face. Go ahead and apply it on your neck as well. This will help to make sure everywhere is uniform. Go ahead and apply this treatment also all over your body, okay? And you will achieve a very nice skin. So make sure you apply it under your eyes. Be careful not to make it enter your eyes, okay? So just perfect to get rid of dark spots. Very important to make sure you look younger and to close a large open pores. So after applying it this way, you have to allow it to sink in, okay? Like 15 minutes, 20 minutes or above. Your skin will get tighter, like you feel the tightening of your skin when it gets dry. That is to tell you that it's time to wash it off. So after washing it off, I'm going to come back and tell you the next thing to do. So after washing it off, after 15 minutes to 20 minutes, you will notice how clear your skin will be. Like your skin is going to be very clear, very neat. This is the first thing you will notice, and a glowing skin as well. So with consistent use of this treatment, you won't have dark spots because it will help to fade away those dark spots. With consistent use, you won't have acne. Your skin will get tighter, because the pores will be closed, and thereby preventing pimples, acne, and other skin problems. So just go ahead and apply a light moisturizer, not an oil or cream that will clog your skin, so that you won't have blackheads and pimples, okay? Just a light moisturizer, or if you do not have a specific moisturizer, go ahead and apply a vitamin E oil, just perfect. So this treatment is best to apply at night, like in the evening before you go to bed, and it's just perfect like that. So another way to achieve this same look, like a spotless skin, to close a large open pores, to get rid of dead skin cells and look younger, is by using orange and sugar only. Yes, only. And this is very simple, and you still achieve the same results. So you just have to add a little sugar, cut your orange into half like this, then you scrub your skin, you scrub it. This one is very effective, very, very effective. Okay, only 2 ingredients and you get perfect results. Scrub it. As you are scrubbing it, go ahead and add more sugar. So remember to make use of brown sugar or white sugar, any kind of sugar. If you are making use of white sugar like this, you just have to be gentle on your skin so that it will not, harm your skin for those that have sensitive skin, because white sugar is actually sharp, but brown sugar is milder, very mild on your skin. And just scrub it gently, scrub on those dark spots. As you can see, I still have little dark spots here. Scrub on them. So you have to make use of this treatment 3 times weekly, every day, anyhow you want it. There's no side effects. It's for all skin type as well. Thanks so much for watching. Do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and also share it to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.